Hello and welcome everyone to this PostgreSQL tutorial. Today in this PostgreSQL tutorial, we will learn about mod function in PostgreSQL. So what is a mod function in PostgreSQL? The mod function on other hand is used to calculate the mod of set of values. The mod is the value that appears most frequently in the data set. This function can be quite valuable for understanding the most common value in the data set. The syntax for mod function is as follows. First write a mod function. Then within group by, after specify parentheses, within parentheses specify clause order by, then the expression. And as you know, this is the column or the expression for which you want to calculate the mod. For example, here we will use the math scores table that contains class name and score for each student in that class. So here, the table math score contains a column class name and there are two classes, class A and class B, with the corresponding score for each student in that class. Now, suppose you want to find the most common or mod method score for each class in your math score table. You can use the mod function. And for that, write a query, select, then specify column name, that is a class name, and after that, specify function mod. Then specify within group. After that, specify parentheses. Then you need to specify the order by clause to order your result. And for that, type here order by. After that, you need to provide the expression. And here expression is your column score. You can give an alias's name to this result or the mod function and then write from, and the table is a math scores. After that, type a group by, because we are going to group the result according to class. So here type the column class name. Then select the query, execute it. As you can see in the output, the mod for the class A is 75 and mod for the class B is 76. This is how you can use the mod function in class to calculate the most common values in your data set or the column that contains the integer value. For that, you can calculate mod value. So at last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.